How to delete internet history on Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser on your Android device. Then, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select History. If you want to delete a single item, just tap the X next to it. To clear more data, tap Clear Browsing Data. Next, choose a time range using the drop-down menu. You can select from last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Now, select the types of data you want to remove. You can clear browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files. By default, all options are selected, but you can uncheck any you don't want to delete. When you're ready, tap Clear Data in the bottom right corner. That's it. Your selected browsing and search history will be cleared. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.